KDP is easy to start with, but if you rush the upload, it can hurt your book before readers even see it. This is the stage where setup is most important. Once my book files are ready, I don't just upload them into Amazon and hope for the best. I treat the KDP upload as a final store setup. At this point, the book is more than just a manuscript. It becomes a product that readers can find, buy, and review. Once my files are ready, I upload them to Amazon KDP as a pre-order. For this routine, the pre-order already has final files. That's important for me. Yes, some authors set up pre-orders before the final manuscript is ready, and sometimes that can work. But for peace of mind, I prefer to upload the final manuscript when I can. It lowers the stress. It also reduces the risk of missing a deadline or rushing the final file at the last minute. KDP is usually the first major platform many authors use, and that makes sense. It has one of the lowest entry barriers for self-publishing. You can create an account, upload your ebook and paperback, set your price, and get your book in front of Amazon shoppers. That doesn't mean KDP is always easy. You still need a strong cover, a good book description, smart keywords, clean formatting, and a real plan. But if someone is brand new and wants to publish their first book, KDP is often the platform that feels more accessible. I will be starting with ebook. I'll add in the metadata. Here, I'm adding it to the series page. Yeah, I caught this. Copy and paste even your name. You can actually publish 2 different Amazon domains. Add the categories, keywords. Make sure your keywords don't exceed 50 characters. Where it says I'm not eligible for pre-order, this is when my account was deactivated, and apparently they didn't remove this. A quick call and I was good. Set my pre-order date, which is Juneteenth. Save. Now I'll upload my final files. Clicking the digital right management or DRM is up to you. I click no. Upload cover. As part of the terms and service, you must answer this. Most spelling errors are false positives. Let's open the preview. Ignore spelling. Now see what it looks like. Add my ISBN and business name. All my images are accessible. This will not be in Kindle Unlimited. All territories. Pre-order price is $1.99, so it's at the rate of 35%. Now, tweak the other prices. I don't worry about the VAT. I just make sure they end in 99. And save. Don't treat your KDP upload as a quick afterthought. Think of it as your book's first store setup. Have your final files ready. Check the title. Confirm series details. Paste strong metadata. Review keywords and categories. Preview the file. Confirm price and territories. Taking extra care here can help your book start off stronger. Self-publishing feels less stressful when you stop guessing and follow a clear process for each upload. If you want more step-by-step help with self-publishing tools and systems, then check out this playlist next. It will help you keep building a cleaner publishing workflow so each book upload feels easier and more organized. Watch that playlist next, and I'll see you there.